Hello everyone, my name is Emanuela Maggioni and today I'm presenting our work Smell Space, mapping out the olfactory design space for novel interactions. This work has been done together with my co-authors, Robert Cobden and Dmitrenko from the University of Sussex, Professor Kasper from the University of Copenhagen, and Professor Marianna Obrist from the University College London. The human sense of smell is powerful and can enhance and amplify the interaction with technology. Think about a future where your nose has become as important as your eyes and ears in watching this presentation. However, how we can use this powerful sense of smell as a novel interaction modality and how we can navigate in this complex design space, the way in which we are currently using smell as an interaction modality in human-computer interaction is quite limited. Lack of a common reference point and a guidance to drive designer and whoever want to approach and using the sense of smell. Here in our work, we are mapping out the olfactory design space, providing these kind of guidelines. We are discussing and presenting four main features: the chemical, emotional, spatial, and temporal. Each feature defines a building block for smell-based interaction and is grounded in literature review from a multidisciplinary background on our understanding and advancing on the olfactory system. We then discuss in our work how to think about the design exploration we want to do and how to develop an application using a specific design space analysis approach that aligns question, option, and criteria as the key anchor points as a framework. This rational-based approach helps us to formulate specific questions that are linked to specific design challenging and the specific design consideration. We show an overview on how to use the four features driving the design choices alongside the implementation and evaluation of the three application cases. We drive the design asking questions as such is the aim of the application, which sense we can deliver, which are the optimal delivery device, how we can select the sense, and so on. The three applications we are presenting are one desk application and two VR environment. The first application is a time-managed VR game in which the user need to complete a number of tasks under pressure. We design for achieving a calming effect on the user, for increasing the performance in the task. The second application is a smell augmented message system that conveys information through train scent association, and we compare the performance of classic banner used in this messaging chat called Slack. In the third application, we compare and we understand how we can navigate a 360 VR environment using sense stimuli and audio stimuli, and we compare the performance between them. For more details about the application cases, please look in the paper or ask me questions afterwards. To conclude, our work presents three main contributions. The first, we identify and present the key design feature. The second one, we show how to use these design features and the relevance in the process of designing an application, and even the benefits of a smell-based interaction on the perspective of the user performance. We present and we discuss how our theoretical and empirical exploration can bridge theory with practice by contributing to an intermediate level of knowledge. This is a form of knowledge that sits between theory and particular instances of design, allowing the abstraction knowledge around the design challenge that can be applied to multiple application cases. This is a very first step towards the creation of a solid theory around the smell design. Is an initial guidelines as a framework. There are still some trade-offs to consider and more research to be done. But please be inspired by all the possibilities around the power of smell. Thanks for the attention. Any question?